It is time to get down to business. Welcome, I am Julian Amboko, and let's kick off with the Federation of Kenya Employers, which has asked the government to defer plans to introduce a minimum tax next year in order to help businesses recover from the impact of COVID-19. The tax will be charged at a rate of 1% of the gross business turnover and takes effect from January 1st, 2021, allowing the government to tax even loss-making companies. FKE, however, says more than half of the private sector enterprises do not have enough resources to meet their staff costs for the next 6 months, and deferring the tax could help them retain more employees. KRA looks to raise at least R1 billion through the minimum tax in the first 6 months of 2021.
It's a risk. We're not saying for sure this will happen, but going by the current patterns on job losses and the numbers that have been lost, up to 1 million jobs, we said, are at risk of being lost, jobs and incomes. That is predicated on the figures that we have seen. The Federation is not predicting that 1 million Kenyans will lose their jobs, but you're saying going by the pattern of job losses in the last 5 months, which has really wiped out the jobs that we created in the formal economy, then the risk is that as many as those jobs would be lost, which would wipe out the year 2020, of course, in terms of any job creation.